Eating papaya every day will do this to your body. Did you know that a simple fruit can bring incredible benefits to your health? What happens in your body when you include papaya daily in your diet? Is it really capable of strengthening the heart, skin, and even the immune system? And more importantly, are there any precautions or mistakes that you may be making without knowing it? Today we're going to explore every aspect of this powerful fruit. From the amazing benefits to the precautions you need to take. Let's get started. Benefits of papaya for the heart. Papaya is one of the most fiber-rich fruits, which help reduce blood cholesterol levels. This reduction occurs because fiber binds to cholesterol in the digestive system, preventing it from being absorbed by the body. With this, it directly contributes to the prevention of cardiovascular diseases, such as heart attacks and strokes. In addition, papaya is an important source of potassium, a mineral that regulates blood pressure. By balancing the effects of sodium on the body, potassium helps relax blood vessel walls, promoting healthy circulation. Studies conducted by the American Heart Association indicate that the lycopene and vitamin C present in papaya have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, protecting the arteries and reducing the risk of heart disease. After all, who wouldn't want to protect their heart in a natural and delicious way? Strengthening the immune system. For those looking to strengthen their immune system, papaya is a perfect choice. With only 130 grams, it offers 100% of the daily requirement of vitamin C for an adult, surpassing fruits such as oranges. This high concentration of vitamin C helps strengthen the body's natural defenses, being especially beneficial for people over 45 years old. In addition, papaya contains carotenoids, antioxidants that fight cellular aging and prevent chronic diseases, such as diabetes and some types of cancer. And there's more. The vitamin A present in papaya also acts on skin health and cell regeneration, making it a complete option for those looking for health and well-being. Now that you know about these incredible benefits, are you ready to discover how papaya can transform your skin's health? Papaya and skin health. Secrets to a radiant appearance. Papaya is rich in vitamin A, an essential nutrient for cell renewal and the prevention of premature aging. It fights signs such as wrinkles and fine lines, while vitamin E, also present in the fruit, acts as a natural moisturizer, keeping the skin soft and healthy. Another powerful element is beta-carotene, an antioxidant that protects the skin from damage caused by the sun's rays. But the benefits of papaya don't stop there. When applied directly to the skin, it acts as an excellent natural moisturizer and exfoliant, thanks to the papain enzyme. This enzyme removes dead cells, leaving the skin looking fresher and rejuvenated. Imagine a fruit that not only takes care of your health from the inside, but also promotes a visible transformation on the outside. And now, is papaya also effective against inflammation and joint pain? The power of papaya in fighting inflammation and arthritis. For those who suffer from arthritis or other inflammatory problems, papaya can be a great ally. It contains natural anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce inflammation in the joints, relieving pain and improving mobility. In addition, the antioxidants present in papaya fight free radicals, which are responsible for worsening joint damage. These same compounds help prevent other inflammatory conditions in the body, making papaya an indispensable option for those looking for a life with more quality and less pain. And speaking of quality of life, papaya is also a powerful friend of the digestive system. Ready to understand how it can transform your digestion? Papaya is an ally of the digestive system. Papaya is widely known for its benefits for the digestive system, and this is no wonder. It is rich in papain, a powerful enzyme that aids in the digestion of proteins, facilitating the process of nutrient absorption by the body. This property is especially useful for people who face difficulties digesting foods such as meat and dairy products. In addition, papaya contains both soluble and insoluble fiber, which promotes proper bowel function and helps prevent discomfort caused by trapped bowel. Another advantage is that papaya supports the health of the intestinal flora, which is essential for immunity and the correct absorption of nutrients. Did you know that consuming papaya regularly can be a real relief for constipation sufferers? But the benefits don't stop there. Papaya can also be an ally for those who are looking to lose weight and maintain a healthy metabolism. The contribution of papaya to weight control and hydration. If you're trying to lose weight, papaya can be your best friend on the diet. This fruit is low in calories and rich in fiber, which increases the feeling of satiety and reduces the desire to eat between meals. Additionally, the fibers in papaya help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing glucose and insulin spikes that can contribute to weight gain. The high water content of papaya is another positive point. It hydrates the body and helps in the efficient functioning of the metabolism, preventing fluid retention and reducing swelling. With all these benefits, it is clear that papaya is an excellent choice for those looking for a healthy lifestyle. But did you know that this fruit also plays an important role in protecting your eyesight? The benefits of papaya for eye health. Papaya is an exceptional source of vitamin A, which helps protect the cornea and improves night vision, preventing problems such as night blindness. In addition, the fruit contains lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that protect the eyes from damage caused by blue light and ultraviolet rays. These compounds are particularly important for reducing the risk of macular degeneration, a condition that can lead to vision loss in older people. Consuming papaya regularly is undoubtedly a delicious way to take care of your eye health. But, like any good dietary practice, it is also important to know the contraindications of papaya consumption. Contraindications of papaya consumption. Although papaya is a healthy fruit for most people, some precautions should be taken. People who are allergic to latex or fruits such as kiwi, banana, or pineapple should be careful when consuming papaya, as it can trigger allergic reactions. Additionally, green papaya contains high levels of latex, which can cause uterine contractions in pregnant women and lead to complications. If you're taking anticoagulant or blood pressure control medications, it's important to consult a doctor before including large amounts of papaya in your diet. After all, overconsumption can interfere with the effects of these medications due to the slight diuretic effect of the fruit. Now that you know the contraindications, let's talk about common mistakes that many make when consuming papaya and how to avoid them. Common mistakes when consuming papaya and how to avoid them. A common mistake is the exaggerated consumption of papaya. Because it is rich in fiber, eating large amounts can cause unwanted effects, such as gas, diarrhea, and abdominal discomfort. To avoid these problems, a daily portion of between 100 and 150 grams is recommended. Another frequent mistake is not washing the papaya peel before cutting it. This can transfer dirt, pesticides, or microorganisms to the edible part of the fruit, increasing the risk of contamination. In addition, many people discard papaya seeds, unaware that they have antiparasitic, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties. However, these seeds should be consumed in moderation. A teaspoon a day is enough to enjoy their benefits without causing digestive discomfort. Now that you know how to consume papaya correctly and make the most of its benefits, how about starting to include it in your routine? Papaya is a true gift from nature, packed with nutrients that can transform your health from the inside out. With benefits ranging from strengthening the heart to protecting vision, it is a powerful ally for those seeking well-being and quality of life. Remember to consume in moderation, respecting contraindications and avoiding common mistakes to ensure a healthy and safe experience. How about starting to enjoy the benefits of this amazing fruit today? Share this information with those you love and help others discover the secrets of papaya. Your body will thank you, and you deserve the best care.